though. I mean, really, it just put my city on the map. Like, you know what I mean? It's been a long time. Like, everybody expects us to be this little small city. You know, I'm just Cincinnati. You know what I mean? But nah, though, we gonna put our city on the map. Everybody gonna blow up. You feel me? If you serious about your music, you feel me? Anything you doing, cause feel me? Right now we on the map. We doing it big, man. Shout out to everybody, man. We killing these motherfuckers, man. Word. I want you to ride with me. It's that money bag lifestyle. Money bag music. I'ma ride for my niggas. Word is born. Nigga, I'ma die with my niggas. Clutching that motherfucker 4-5 with my niggas. Yeah, that's word is born. I'll lie to my niggas. Take the stand, testify for my niggas. I don't give a fuck. You know I'ma ride for my niggas. All these bubble gum chewing ass bitch ass niggas. I'ma start blamming it up and killing these niggas. I don't give a fuck. What you mean? Ain't too many real left. Nigga, I don't want 100 proof. These niggas spun it. Honey buns, nigga, I'm keeping it 1,000. These niggas so wildin', and they funny styling. I ain't feeling these new niggas, that's where it's born. Where the old niggas that's cut from the same cloth. Nah, I don't think it's too many real niggas, cause all the rest of the niggas I know they killed or dead off in the jail and they ain't never coming home again. Man, that's some bullshit. Don't even hit my phone if it ain't about an onion. I'm tired of nickel and dime and this money bags. I ain't playing with that iron. I'ma slang that, bang that, wherever you hang at us, nigga, when we roll assholes, see my fangs. Yeah, living that vampire life, I ain't bullshitting. 9 milli, and I'm extra clipping it, extendos. It ain't a game, control it like Nintendo's. Nigga think it's a game, piece of box windows. Yeah, don't try to shoot at my car. Bulletproof, money bags, man, don't fuck with a star. I do this shit though, for real. I never fuck with broke niggas. Money bag, I do this shit. Don't drop the soap, niggas. Niggas ain't going to jail. These niggas telling now. Give a fuck what you selling now. That's where it's bomb. These niggas soft as hell, man. I had soft as hell. Yeah, these niggas don't wanna fuck with me. I ain't writing shit down. My freestyles is killing this shit that they took 6 months to get. Who you fucking with? Nigga, look at that man in the mirror, his money bags. You ain't fucking with this motherfucking jacket. All these spikes on it. So is my fucking shoes, that YSL belt. Nigga, my style too rude. You ain't fucking with me. Yeah, these motherfucking Sashis over my eyes. Don't be surprised if they ain't doing motherfucking. Yeah, though, let me run it back, though. It ain't no game, though. Check me out. Yeah. I'ma ride. Money bag, man. Check me out. Hey. Yeah. Hold on. Hey. Fat blunt of this kush, watch me inhale. You know what I sell, man, on fire like Denzel. You couldn't see what I see through these gazelles. It ain't no game, these niggas soft. I got that motherfucking fish scale. What you tryna got? It ain't never been no game. All you did was window shop. Man, I went downtown, copped them robins, spent hella dough, lagoon the beaches. You gotta be kidding, they looking speechless. They ain't fucking around with this dude. Nigga, I don't play no games, man. You know I'm too rude. Fuck staying in school. I had a pack to move. I had a car outside the same as my fucking teacher. Quit playing with this dude. Did you see these fucking features? And I'm killing no mixtapes. I don't need no fucking features. Quit playing with me. I don't give a fuck. You ain't saying shit. You better duck when you see me. It's money bags. Nigga clearing your ass, fucking veteran. I was outside late night with heroin like a Letterman. Fiends knock a fucking nigga, let them in. I'm about to serve them. I don't give a fuck. No Marcus Houston. I don't fuck around. And I took trips to Houston. Met my people. Came back with them Patrick Ewins. Nigga think it's a game. Nigga didn't try that dude. I ain't writing shit down, nigga. My dude. Hey though. Niggas can't fuck with me, man. Freestyle. It's money bad, man. You think you fucking with that, man? Holla at me, man. Always fine, man. I got a stack. Matter of fact, hey, I put 30 on my flow, 20 in my jeans. YSL belt looking gold. It's too mean. What the fuck, though? You ain't fucking with my little flow. This money bag. Nigga got more swag than Flojo. Yo, I got handguns with scopes that'll knock down a buffalo. Nigga, we really living like they did on the wire. Trapping late nights with big guns on the back tire. What the fuck, though? Man, I was born with nothing. I'ma leave with everything. Married to the streets. Fuck a wearing ring. Nigga, what? Money pads, nigga.